Have you ever tried AI music generation and felt like something was missing? Like your creative spark, your personal touch just couldn't quite break through? Or maybe you've tried to merge your own playing with AI-generated tracks only to hit a wall of incompatibility and generic sounds. That feeling of not truly being in control, of the AI being a separate entity rather than a partner, is a common frustration for many creators. But what if I told you that barrier has just been shattered? What if the AI could not only generate music, but collaborate with you, respond to your playing, and even help you sculpt the perfect sound for your vision? Forget everything you knew about AI music. Suno Studio 2.0 just became a full-blown DAW that can make music with you. This isn't just another update, it's a paradigm shift. Suno Studio 2.0 transforms AI music creation into a truly interactive, co-creative process. You're no longer just prompting a black box. You're playing an instrument, you're automating effects, and the AI is there as your intelligent co-producer, ready to build on your ideas. Today, you'll learn exactly how to blend your own musical ideas with Suno's advanced AI. We'll go from playing your own MIDI instruments directly into Suno to having the AI co-design intricate track elements and even professionally separate audio stems for any project. Get ready to integrate your unique artistry with cutting-edge AI. First, let's get you properly set up. Access Suno Studio 2.0 through your web browser. If you haven't seen the new interface, it's worth refreshing. You'll immediately notice the multi-track timeline, much like a traditional digital audio workstation. Look for the distinct tracks, which now include dedicated slots for MIDI input, and crucially, the new beta chat bar, usually located at the bottom or side of your project view. This chat bar is your direct line to Suno's AI co-designer. Next, and this is vital for true collaboration, connect your MIDI controller. Whether it's a keyboard, drum pad, or guitar interface, plug it in. Most modern browsers like Chrome or Edge will automatically detect it. Check your browser's MIDI settings to ensure your device is recognized. A quick way to test is to click on a MIDI track in Suno. You should see input activity when you play your controller. With your MIDI controller active and the new Studio 2.0 interface loaded, you're ready to bridge the human-AI gap. Now here's where it gets really good, where your creativity meets Suno's intelligence. Let's record a simple MIDI melody. Click on an empty MIDI track in Suno Studio 2.0. Hit the record button and play a short, expressive melody, something like a simple chord progression or a memorable riff. For this example, I'll play a basic C major arpeggio. Once recorded, you'll see the MIDI data visualized on the track. This is your input, the core of your idea. Now open that new beta chat bar. This isn't just for generic prompts anymore. You're going to prompt Suno to build around your specific MIDI. Type this exact prompt. Generate a funky drum beat and a smooth bass line to accompany this MIDI melody, keeping it in a 120 BPM pop rock style. Make sure the bass line grooves with the melody. Suno will analyze your recorded MIDI, understand its key and tempo, and generate complementary tracks that truly integrate with your playing. Suggest a suitable synth lead for this genre, and create a short, arpeggiated lead pattern that complements the main melody. This is truly co-design, not just generation. This is the part most people miss, and it's what elevates your music from good to professional, advanced automation, and stem separation. Let's take one of your tracks, perhaps the synth lead the AI just created. Apply an audio effect, like a delay or reverb, by clicking the effects icon on the track header. Once added, you'll see automation lanes appear below the track. Click the small plus icon next to the effects parameters, e.g. wet-dry for a delay. Now, using automation curves, draw in dynamic changes. For instance, you can make the delay's wetness swell at the end of a phrase, or have the reverb decay longer during a bridge. This adds life and movement to your mix. For power users, the chat bar can even help you co-design custom effects. Try prompting, design a unique cosmic echo delay plugin with adjustable shimmer and feedback for this synth track, and then apply it with automation that swells at the end of every 4 bars. Suno understands your intent. And for external mixing, Suno Studio 2.0 now offers high-fidelity stem separation. Import an external vocal track you've recorded. Simply drag and drop it into a new audio track. Then click the Separate Stems button. Suno will intelligently extract individual components like vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments with incredible clarity, giving you pristine separate tracks for mixing in your preferred DAW. No more battling with muddy mixes or needing expensive third-party tools. So, what do these powerful features actually sound like when put together? Imagine a track where you've laid down an emotional piano melody via MIDI. The AI then perfectly crafts a lush string section and a subtle drum loop that follows your dynamics. You automate a filter sweep on the strings to build tension, and then, using stem separation, you seamlessly integrate a vocal track you recorded separately, ensuring every element sits perfectly in the mix. The result is a polished, professional-sounding piece where the human and AI contributions are indistinguishable in their quality. You can rapidly prototype full songs in minutes, generating multiple versions until you find the perfect fit. You can create backing tracks for live performances, perfectly tailored to your playing, or produce custom sound effects and short musical cues for games, videos, or podcasts with unprecedented control. This isn't just about making music, it's about accelerating your creative workflow and realizing musical ideas that were once out of reach. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials, and in our next video, we'll dive into how to leverage AI for advanced sound design using text-to-sound prompts in real time.